Welcome to this fun and easy French learning video. Whether you're planning a trip to France, want to impress your friends, or simply love learning new languages, this video is perfect for you. Today, you'll learn 15 of the most common French phrases used in everyday life. These phrases will help you navigate through various situations, from greeting someone to asking for help. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these phrases out loud. First up, hello, bonjour. Bonjour. This is the most basic greeting and can be used at any time of the day. Next, when you want to say thank you, you say merci. Merci. It's always good to show appreciation. How are you? That's comment ça va? Comment ça va? This is a great way to start a conversation. If you're confused, you can say, I don't understand, je ne comprends pas. Je ne comprends pas. This phrase will come in handy when you're trying to learn or understand something new. Now, a very important one. Where is the bathroom? You ask, où sont les toilettes? This is essential for any traveler. Où sont les toilettes? Make sure to remember this one. When you meet someone for the first time, you'll want to say, nice to meet you, enchanté, enchanté. This will leave a good impression. If you need to get someone's attention, say, excuse me, excusez-moi, excusez-moi. This is polite and shows respect. To ask for help, you can say, can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Pouvez-vous m'aider? This is useful in many situations, whether you're lost or need assistance. If you didn't catch something, say, can you repeat that? Pouvez-vous répéter? Pouvez-vous répéter? This is great for ensuring you understand everything correctly. When you're leaving, say goodbye, au revoir. This is a polite way to end a conversation. Au revoir. Use this whenever you part ways with someone. Good night is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Perfect for ending the day on a good note. To ask for the bill at a restaurant, say the bill please. L'addition s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. This is essential for dining out. If you want to know the time, ask, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? This is useful for keeping track of your schedule. When you want to say I'm sorry, you say je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. This shows that you acknowledge your mistake. And finally, see you soon is à bientôt. This is a friendly way to say you'll meet again. À bientôt. Use this to leave a positive impression. Great job! You've now learned 15 essential French phrases. Watch this video multiple times to master these phrases and boost your French skills. Repetition is key to learning a new language. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with your favorite French phrase. Au revoir. Keep practicing and you'll be speaking French fluently in no time.